Damn it. God. Fuck off. Oh, fuck off.
Oh my gosh, Miss. Yeah, she was really. Woo! Oh my gosh. Okay, hang on. Are you pulling around? Let's lock it up. Oh my gosh. This is insane. Alright. Cool. Alright. Gotta maneuver this big guy into position around a bunch of other tools. Very good problem to have. It's tight. Oh, making it. Yeah. Oh my gosh, this thing is massive. I'm not even done yet. Alright. Final piece of the toolbox puzzle. Then we get to fill it. There you go. Yeah, these wheels. Oh, nice. Some nice wheel bearings. Scooching it in. Oh, yeah.
Jump out.
Alright, guys. We got a lot of like tools going on here. This is going to be crazy. Look at all these pliers. What's in this one? We got a screwdriver set, and they come in cases. That's perfect for us in here. So what's in here? 1/4-inch 48 piece service kit. What is that? Let's see. What do we got, guys?
Fucking idiot.
Oh, nice. Our sockets, ratchets, extensions, everything. Cool. Start loading them in the box. I've been waiting for this one. Gigantic 1/2-inch ratchet. This is sweet. All right, so this should be all of our 3/8 stuff in a case. I need the case in here. I need organizers, to be honest with you. But this was happening today. This is a great set. Wow. All right, so you know how I organize my toolboxes? The most important stuff goes on top, and then it gets less important as we go down. Sockets and ratchets, probably the most used tool if I had to pick one. So that's definitely going up top. We have metric. We have standard. This is sweet. You want to see the coolest thing in the world? We open up the hutch. Bam! Lights are on. We have LED lights with a sensor in the corner, and there are shocks. They're like hood shocks for this thing. Are you kidding me? Look, we gotta take a step back here. Whoa! Get to work here. Can't see anything. Oh, bam! My lights are on. That's a real world situation right there. We're almost done unboxing, guys. We have a shop vac and our air compressor. We have a hose reel as well. So here she is. Our beautiful, beautiful shop vac. Every garage needs one. Shop vac's almost put back together, and you need pliers. Like this, and I had to use these pliers to cut this zip tie. Wow, these are really sharp. Tools helping tools. All right, vacuum is done. Toolbox is getting there. We got some decorations. Here is the top drawer. We still have to go get a bunch of tools, so we'll come back to tool organization. We have our jack stands, air compressor. Right now we're working on the max jack. So in the front, we have to be conscious of the drain here. You can't drill in too close to that hole, so that's good. And we have a decent amount of room in the back. The Camaro's like 15.5 feet long. The Lightning is about 17.25. condenser. So I think we would still be able to fit the lighting here to lift it as well. And that's kind of a worst case scenario. Like if I'm ever going to work on anything big, I mean, we're going to be at the main shop. So I'll definitely be doing some work here, but it's secondary. I mean, we still have the main shop to do all the major projects. My wife is inside cleaning right now, and she's like, hey, the AC's not working too good. So I took a look. I think I figured out why. I just took this off, and she's a little dirty. The condenser is quite clogged. Like, this is just really, really bad. Look at this. I mean, it's completely blocking it. This was full of leaves as well. I did a preliminary clean. We can fix this DIY stuff for sure. Oh, yeah. Blasting right through with the pressure washer. Get out of here. I remit this out. Why didn't you tell me this was difficult to do? This thing was so gross. I ended up having to take apart the entire surround. I don't even know. The grill, I don't know what to call that. I don't care. I've never done this before. Not because I don't do stuff in my house. It's because we literally didn't have central air conditioning in our house until about 5 years ago. So I grew up in a house with no air conditioning, and then even up until I was 35 years old, I had air conditioning before. I did live in a condo in the city for a few years in my 20s, but they had like a central system. But anyway, this is my first opportunity to do this, and it's a pain in the butt. This thing is gross. The hardest part is getting to all the little tiny screws that are in there. There's a lot of them. Oh, this is so much easier. Yes. Get off. Let's see, how's this gonna be? Always go inside out. Our AC's been rocking for this. After about a half hour of cleaning, we went from the condenser looking like this, pretty nasty, totally clogged and affecting the AC performance in the house, to this. Much, much better. I think there are chemicals that you can spray on these that are going to make really, really perfect, but this is looking good. Going around with the CO2 panel and just making sure that everything is clean. Pretty good. Hey babe, fire up this AC. There she is, boys. There she is, looking minty fresh. I only have one of these screws left over. I don't care. Woo! There it is. Yes! Oh, yeah. Oh, this is so much better. So what it does is it sucks the air from inside, blows it out the top, and this feels strong, guys, before you can barely feel anything. This is satisfying. This is just as satisfying as fixing a car, but not as fun. Not nearly as fun. The next car to go to Lake Garage is not this AMG, but this one. I think the C63 would fit well where it's pretty much all done. I'm loading a bunch of stuff into it right now. But yeah, this car I've just been enjoying for a long time, and it kind of lives either here or my house, but it could be a good one. Very uneventful, but we made it with the C63. I love this car so much. This is awesome. This is great. Now it's just about to hop in the lightning here. Let's see. There's a big leak. And definitely it's like this got good heat shots, but yeah, this is going to get done dry and soon. Woo! That's great. I walked around. It seems honestly it's like a radiator, I think. Which is good. If you guys are wondering what I'm wearing right now, I'm wearing kind of a weird outfit right now. I actually have a ski mask on too. And we got a whole film crew here. We are filming a movie and the band is involved in it too. And the band is overheating. The fans won't kick on. I found a blown fuse. And that fixed it for a little bit and then it flew again. So seriously guys, it's like 8 o'clock in the morning. How am I having this on 2 of my vehicles? I'm actually a stunt double. Or this is Patrick right here. So he kidnapped someone in the band. My band. Very fitting. Alright, so I'm driving the van around right now. We've got some audio going on. We got the drone operator. Filming seems to be kind of driving a little crazy like I'm kidnapping. And it's not overheating. Fans are kicking on. Well, I was going to book it to the lake house in the lighting and fix it there. I even brought some extra water. But watch this. We put a little water in there and it immediately just starts coming out just all over the place. This puddle's just in 2 seconds. So you can make it like that. You got to do the radiator here. Did you guys watch my engine building series? No. It's actually pretty easy. So just disconnect the hoses. And of course, it's going to leak all over. There's 4, naturally. There you go. Let's just have to muscle this out. Where's our custom fans? Here we go. Shoot out. All right. So right here, we're going to just swap these over to the new one. Unbolted the fan. This is from like a 2010-ish F-150. And with some mods, also just kind of trimming around here, it fits on this radiator.
This is transferred right here, this leaking, but I'm trying to find its failure point in the actual coolant part of the radiator. I don't see it, but it's usually the seal inside of here that divides the plastic tank with the aluminum core.
This radiator's brand new. Like, it's got 500 miles on it. It just blew out, so great job. Parts store? I don't know. Whoever made it. New radiator going in. I'm going with the exact same one. They're warranting this, so fingers crossed doesn't happen again. But it's hard to find the dual core one for the Lightning. I don't have too many options here, people. Just hoping that was a fluke, really.
The old radiator I noticed was made in Taiwan.
Yeah, I just got the new one in.
It's made in Canada. Please, Canadians.
Please do a good job on my radiator. I mean, I hope you did a good job. It's nice.
So what was the amp you want? Did you want me to take something home now?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, you have it outside?
Yeah.
I also got to meet Greg Martin and play his 1958 Les Paul. Greg brought along on one of these visits a Mesa amplifier that we're going to take a look at.
Well, the last guy that went through it was Todd Shaw. He just went through it real quick. Because I mean, at the time, you really didn't. We were busy.
I told Greg, I said, I will work on a boogie for you, but I don't enjoy it and I don't want to.
I just didn't want to push it.
Yeah.
I
So
tell
make,
a lot of guys now, but the guy, I
make
don't know.
Brad do it. That's
Yeah.
your
Well,
suggestion.
see my head,
I saw that
you see
worked
those
on it.
headphone stands in there with the
I
cup
saw we
holder?
worked on 2 or 3 of them. I thought, well, maybe he would just see if he could get rid of the snow.
I'll see what I can do, but no promises.
Did you see those iron headphone stands with the cup holder and the RTR logo?
I did, yeah.
I had those custom made, and the guy that made them for me, the reason he made them, he said, I'll make those for you if you work on my boogie. So